Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into planning a trade show or conference booth using Airtable. With this full 2025 guide, we'll make your event planning a breeze. First, let's start by creating a new base in Airtable specifically for your trade show. It's important to have a dedicated base to keep your planning organized and centralized. Now that we've done that, your next step is to set up different tables for various aspects of your planning. These might include tables for vendors, booth layout, keynote speakers, and your schedule. This helps us because it allows us to manage all the different aspects of our event in one place. Now let's dive into the details. For each table, you'll want to create different fields that correspond to the information you need to track. For example, in your vendor table, you might have fields for contact information, payment status, and booth location. The reason we do this is to make sure we have all the necessary details at our fingertips, making management easier and more efficient. Next up, take advantage of the calendar and Kanban views. Set due dates for tasks and visualize your workflow. This is crucial because it helps you track progress and stay on top of deadlines. Let me explain why this matters. In the hectic world of event planning, it's easy to lose sight of tasks or deadlines. But with these views, you can stay organized and ahead of the game. Lastly, use Airtable's collaboration features. Invite your team members to the base, assign tasks, and leave comments. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This fosters teamwork and ensures everyone is on the same page, reducing the chances of misunderstandings or missed tasks. And there we have it. In just a few steps, you've set up a comprehensive planning system for your trade show or conference booth using Airtable. Remember, the key to successful event planning is organization, and with Airtable, you're more than equipped to handle it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.